Good morning, children. Y'all, I hope y'all are completing all your work now, not piling it up. Okay, now all of you take out your social study reader and we'll begin with lesson number 9, safety rules. Yes, you will be knowing about the rules, how to walk on the road and all. And we have done safety means method and measures for reducing the risk, injury, or danger. We should learn to protect ourselves from any danger, right? So you should protect yourself, and not only yourself as well as your small younger brothers and sisters, those who are walking with you on the road. So we should obey necessary rules that keep us safe. Such rules are called rules of safety or safety rules. We should always be careful on the road, at school, at home, on a bus, on a bicycle, and in the playground. So, this is very important. Now, this is your revision work. First, you'll read the whole lesson very well, and after that, you will learn some points as well as you will remember some points. Yes, when you learn, when you remember, you will know what you have to do, with what things you don't have to play, like you don't have to play with fire, with knives, scissors, fork, blades. You don't have to touch any electric things at home. So it is good when you know this. It is good for you that you don't allow your younger brothers and sisters not to do, and you're an obedient child to your parents now. And you don't touch any medicine without the advice of anybody, and you don't put anything in the electric fingers in the electric appliances. So it is very necessary that you know about this, you have the knowledge of this. So before that you have to read all the lesson, this lesson very well. So this is electric thing, you don't have to put your finger in the plug, nor any gadget you have to put in. Now appliances not to be used by children. There are some more electric appliances which children should not use. Now turn to page number 62. Yes, now there are certain things. Now see, this is the slide, downing, slide down the banister. Yeah? Stair. This is the staircase, and this is the side part. This is the railing we call it. Yeah? And another word you call it the banister. You should not climb on this, otherwise you will fall. Now there are some rules, regulation which you should strictly obey. Here, see, these are toilet cleaners not to be used by children. So when you read the lesson, you'll come to know that children should not use all other things which are harmful to them. Hmm? Now, when you're traveling in the car, what must you do? You must sit at the back, and if you're sitting in front, you have to fasten the seat belt, and then you have to sit. You don't have to put your hand out uh, or head out of the window, which is not good. Now again, rules in school, there are certain rules. A sincere disciplined child must follow things at school. Now you have to read this well, then you will know. You should not jump on the desk, on the bench. uh, Always stand in a queue while boarding the bus. Means when you're standing waiting for the bus, while boarding the bus you have to stand in a line, in a queue. Do not jump on the bench, on the table. Do not push each other on the stairs. Always avoid to get on a moving bus. Do not swim under the do swim under the supervision of a trainer. Do not fight or hurt each other while playing. So these are all the rules which should be followed. Now you see this. Do not push each other on the staircase. Do not jump on the desk. Now swim safely using a tube. This is the tube, and you're under the guidance of a supervision or a trainer. Under the supervision of a trainer. Now see, do not fight while playing. Now when you're playing, you should not fight. You should play with all the rules and regulation. Now play safely in the park. You have to play safely. So any game you play with any of your friends or in the school, you should play a fair game. As soon as you go on the playground, you should not start fighting. There should be a fair game. So game, sometimes you will lose, sometimes you will win. So there is nothing to fight or cry. So if you play a fair game, it's very good for you because you're following the rule and the regulation. Now when you're in the bus, always wait in a queue. This is called a queue. It means in the line. So on the bus, when you go, again you should follow your rules and regulations. Stand in the queue. Don't push anybody. Don't put your head out. All when the bus will stop, then only you get down. Just don't run when the buses come and then climb up. No, wait for the bus to stop. Then you should get in. Um Wait for the bus to stop, then you should get down. So these are all the rules and the regulation which a child must know. So before this learning, you will read the lesson as well as you will learn to follow, you will learn to remember. Safety on the road. Now you see, do not play on the road. Wrong sign is given. So every child and town has heavy traffic and traffic jam. One has to be careful while walking on the road. Always follow rules given below when you are on the road. So these are all the rules which you should follow. Now all this you have to learn. See, do not walk in the middle of the road. Wait for the traffic signal. Hold the hands of elder on the road. All this you will read and you will follow and you will remember. Now it says walk on the left side of the road. Use a zebra crossing. When you're on the bicycle, what you have to do? Use the cycle track to ride the bicycle. Okay. Now this is the traffic rule. You should know these are the signs. These are the symbols which you have to draw in your rough notebook. You'll have to color it also, and you have to follow it, and you have to remember that what are these signs for. No U-turn, no left turn. All these are handy when you drive a car, or you're on the scooter, or you're on the cycle. So when these signs come, you have to know what these signs are. If you remember well, you learn it well, it's very good. At once when you're driving, it will click, yes, this sign is for this, I should not do this. There you cannot drive and say, "Arey, what this rule is for." No. So you must remember that what these signs are. If the sign is there, you will know. It has given me the order, giving order, manually stop. Hmm? All this is sign. Now when you're driving, at once this sign is there, you should know that men at work. All these signs, right turn, two-way traffic, when you're driving at a speed and if a school comes, again you have to slow down, that this is the school zone. So it is very necessary that you draw it and you remember what all these signs are. What does this say? Children should know the above mentioned road symbol signs. These signs are key to the road safety. If you follow this, you are very safe on the road. Okay, children. Now we come to quickies. Write in rough notebook. This is your revision work and you will learn it also. Okay. Safety, banister, all the zebra crossing, fasten, toddler. All you have to remember. Now turn to page number 66. You will learn this also. Safety is very important everywhere. All these you have to remember and you have to learn it. Multiple choice question. Now this is choose the correct option to answer the following question correctly. We should always follow traffic rules. Put a tick on it. Which of the following way is used to cross the road, that is zebra crossing? Now which of the following statement is wrong? Jump on the bench, do not play with matchbox, or wait in a queue. So I think jump on the bench is also wrong and do not play with the matchbox is also wrong. So both are wrong, but you have to choose one, but both are wrong in this. Only wait in a queue for the bus is correct one. Now we have to, it says statement is wrong. According to me, A and B both are wrong. Fasten your seat belt if you're sitting on the front seat. Now this question and answer we have written in the classwork notebook. So see that this work is up to date. Those who are absent, complete the work and learn this work. Now we'll come to read the following statement carefully and mark right on the true and wrong on the false one. So we should not be careful on the road, false. We should push each other on the stair, false. We should always follow the traffic rules, true. Green traffic light means to go. Okay, now fill in the blanks. You should cross the road using a zebra crossing. You should not play on the road. You should not push each other while getting in a bus. You should always not play behind a parked vehicle. Match the following. Safety rules keep us safe. We should not jump on the bench. Always keep away from fire. Red light means to stop. Okay, now this you will fill it over here only. This was given to you when we did this lesson. You have to write down two safety rules that you should follow. After reading the lesson, to write down 2 points becomes very easy. Now turn this page. Okay, now in this, look at the picture and we have to tick which is right picture and which is wrong. Now see, playing on the road is wrong, crossing on the zebra is correct, swimming under the guidance of elders or supervisor is correct with the YouTube. Now you will, what do the following road signs stand for? Complete this. Okay, complete this. Now you will complete this as, and you will complete this also. You'll make a chart showing various safety rules. Prepare a first aid box with the help of your parents. This is your project work and this you will complete it. Okay, children. So enough for now, and learn that very well. These are, it is very important road. You do it now, it will help you. You will help your small brothers and sisters also. Okay, children. So enough for now, and have a good day and remain safe.